Yes, we're going to attempt to bring back to life some beautiful walnut wooded encased Sansui 60-watt speakers, which were purchased in the 70s and have a beautiful sound. As you can see, the old tweeters and mid-range speakers have been perforated, no longer providing sound, and what we did is we replaced them with newer ones. And we are about to change the tweeters. We've already done this procedure with the other Sansui. As you can see, there was one speaker that was still salvageable. It's a little stained, but it is still playing. So, this provides 120 watts of pure, nice, soft sound in my nerd room. Bye for now. The compartment which has been removed. There's transistors and resistors in there which control the sound depending on your mid-range, tweeter, or bass reflex. Here are the replacement speakers. Let's have a look. We've got two tweeters here which were replaced, and the two mid-ranges we have here I had to duct tape. Yep, so here we have the final product. Everything's been put back together. No grills. The grills were thrown out inadvertently by my neighbor who had border speakers 30 years ago. He threw them out with the box. But because they're so good looking, it doesn't matter. But in the video, you'll see what the grills look like. Can't wait to turn them on. Let her rip. Bye for now.